Okay, dear students, we have already learned so many things about number system, and we have learned that representation of rational number on a number line. Now some more problems related to rational number, like if you have to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers, okay, means how many are the rational numbers which lie between, okay, two rational numbers, how to find them. I just want to give one example so that you will be clear. Suppose one rational number is 7, another is 9. Very simple example I am taking. So if you have to find how many rational numbers are there between 7 and 9. Okay, uncountable rational numbers are there between 7 and 9. Uncountable. Why? It doesn't mean that 7 and 9 there is only 8 as a whole number. If I ask which whole number is there between 7 and 9, then you will simply say there is only one whole number, that is 8. But if I ask how many rational numbers are there between 7 and 9, then what will be your answer? Your answer, can you give any certain number of rational number? You cannot say 10, 100, you cannot say. Uncountable number of rational numbers, uncountable rational numbers are there between 7 and 9. Okay, not only 1, 2. Whole number is only 1, but rational numbers are many. Means, how to find? That is the step, that is the question which I am going to solve here. Okay. So whenever you have to find, very simple thing, if I ask what whole number is there between 7 and 9, you will say 8. Answer is over. Now if I ask which all whole, like 8 is also rational number or not, but other rational numbers can also be obtained between these two rational numbers. Okay, like see here, this is the first number, this is the second number. Okay, if you have to find the rational number of any two, the rational number between any two rational number, you simply first, to get the first rational number, you first find the average of both the numbers. Finish. You will get first one. You find the average of this. Okay, so the rational number between 7 and 9 is 8. Everybody knows. Okay, that I don't want to explain or don't want to show you here. So how to find? Very simple. By 2. If I divide by 2, if I find average, you will get 8 only. 16 by 2, it is 8. It is one rational number. Without solving, we can find, we can tell that there is 8, one rational number is 8. Now other rational number, how to obtain? Now again what to do? Simple. If you have to find 4 rational number between 7 and 9, 4. We have got one? Got or not? We have already get one rational number between 7 and 9. Again more 3 you have to obtain. More 3 rational number we have to obtain between 7 and 9. Now another. This is the first, okay, first rational number. Second, like that many, second rational number. How to obtain? Now you find the average of the starting first rational number and that rational number which you have just obtained. That is 15 by 2, that is 7.5. It is another rational number. Got my point? Again, third rational number. How to find? Again you have to find the average of the last number and the first rational number between these two, which we have obtained 8. Now you have to find average of these two. 8.5. 3. Okay. Again, if you have to find, I have already told in the beginning only that we can calculate or we can obtain uncountable number of rational number between any two rational number. Uncountable. But I am going to obtain only 4 here. Okay. So first rational number is 8, second is 7.5, third is 8.5 again. Now fourth. How to get fourth? Fourth also, now you can find the average of any two numbers between these two rational numbers. Any two numbers, average of any two. Like you can find the average of 7 and 7.5. Okay, you can find the average of 7 and 8.5. You can find the average of 9 and 8.5. You can find the average of 9 and 7.5. You can find the average of 7.5 and 8.5 also. Any two numbers you can take. Whatever numbers you obtain here, you take the average of any two numbers. You find the average of any two numbers. So why should I take more trouble? So I can take the ratio of the average of these two, 7.5 plus 8.5 by 2. Got my point? See here, 7.5, 8.5, 7 and 8, 15 and 1, 16. Again we are getting the same number. Sorry. Now you get this. We will get the same number. So you write any other number. 9. It is now 17.5 by 2. 17.5 by 2. Again if you convert these, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 7s are 15. 2 7s are 14. 1, 2 5s are 10. 8.75. So in this way we can calculate the uncountable numbers of rational number. Uncountable rational numbers we can obtain which lie between two rational numbers. Okay. Again, if you want to find average, you can do like this also. Like if you find the average of 8.5 and 8.75. If you find the average of these two, again you will get another rational number which also comes between 7 and 9 only. Got my point? So this is how we obtain the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. So after this, like if it is fraction also, then also you can do like another example I want to give you here. If there will be any fraction, like I have two fractions, like 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. 1 by 7, 1 by 3. Now I have to get many rational numbers between these two. We have to find how many rational numbers are there between 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. You have to say uncountable. So you find as many rational numbers as you want. You can find, no problem. But in that way it will go very long. So the question comes like this: find 3 rational numbers between these two. Find 5 rational numbers between these two. Find 2 rational numbers between these two. It comes like this. Okay. So how to do? So first, rational number between 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. What to do? What will you do? Find average of both the numbers. Average means dividing the sum of the numbers by the number of numbers. So 2 numbers are there. You have to divide the sum of these two by its number. By 2, LCM 21, 3, 7, 10 by 21 by 2, 10 by 21, multiply 1 by 2, it is 11 by 42. This is the first number.
10 by 10.
Sorry. It is 10. It's 10 by 21. Is there a problem? Now, if you have to find, are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have to find another second rational number, how to obtain? Again, you find the average of 1 by 7 and 10 by 42. 1 by 7 and 10 by 42 by 2. LCM is 42. 6, 7, 6 times 6 1 is 6. It is 11. Now it is now 17 by 42. Multiply 1 by 2. So it is now 17 by 84. In this simplification, is there any problem? Are you understanding? Okay. It's a simple simplification, so that's why I have not explained it. Which you have already done in class 4, 5. 6. Okay. Now other examples like how to represent. Now it was all problems are related to rational numbers. Okay. Now we will come to irrational numbers. Now how to represent irrational number on a number line. Okay. That is bit tricky, bit difficult. So you have to be very attentive in the class.